Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. I am back with another how to use Apple Watch video, and today in this video we will see how to locate your other Apple products like your Mac, your iPhone or your AirPods using your Apple Watch. Yes, it is possible. Just make sure that all the other products are linked to your same Apple ID, or the product like your AirPods are paired with the same iPhone where your Apple Watch is paired. Okay, after that, very easy, just go ahead and open your home page on your Apple Watch Ultra or Apple Watch. Okay, go to the app view and there is a find devices icon on your app. Okay, where you see a iPhone as well as your laptop with a green icon. Just go ahead and tap on that, and here if you see, you will see all the devices listed here which are linked to your Apple ID or you are paired with your iPhone. For example, if you see the AirPods, the MacBook or your iPhone itself. So if you want to locate your iPhone from your Apple Watch, very easy. If you want to locate your AirPods from Apple Watch, very easy. For example, let's see to find a iPhone. So just go ahead, tap on iPhone here, and you get the exact location of your iPhone where it is, along with the map view. Also below if you see, you can play a sound or enable lost mode. Okay, just go ahead, tap on play sound, and instantly your iPhone will start ringing wherever it is. It is just like using your Find My Device or Find My iPhone application on your iPhone, where you can locate multiple products or multiple devices using the application. Similarly, here you can locate your devices like your iPhone, your AirPods, your MacBook linked. So guys, like this you can easily locate any devices with this trick. I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.